This is our Forex blog for April 7th, 2014, and these are our currency indexes. They let you see as if it's a regular chart what each individual currency is doing. And basically you just want to buy the strong currencies versus the weak, or sell the weak currencies versus the strong. Before I go into this, let me just give you a little sneak peek. I am in the process of redoing our Forex signals, which is a Visual Basic script. It's somewhere between 12 and 15,000 lines of code, and I'm converting it to C++, which is much faster, and I'm probably about 60% of the way done, and I'm also learning C++ at the same time. It's much more difficult than Visual Basic, but this loads ultra fast. You will have the benefit of having more than just the last day or two's signals on the chart, and one of the highest probability methods I found did not work in Visual Basic. It basically took it 2 or 3 minutes to load for each chart, and it was just unworkable, so I scrapped that idea. But in C++, I can have literally hundreds of bar pattern coded up, and it can run through 2,000–3,000 bars worth of data in a second or two. So these are the bar patterns by themselves with none of our other statistical tools. I have about probably 80 of them already coded in. There's probably another 120 to add. I'm estimating another 2 weeks and we will release our first version of these Forex signals. And they're just like the old ones as far as showing the red and green. Green is buy, you have a loss here, win, win, small win, or you might have stayed into that trade, win, win, more than likely a small loss on that one, win, win. The point is, the key to trading in small losses is big wins. Now you can see the euro is going up today. We had to buy here, here, and here, all three, all wins today. And the reason that trade worked is you can see the dollar's underneath its hourly moving average. Sorry, my lawn guys outside. I'm finishing the day. It's about 6:15 right now, and they usually come earlier in the day. I thought they weren't coming today, but anyway, rather than stop and wait and do this later or not even do it today, I'm just going to continue. Hopefully you can still hear me. The dollar's weak. It's underneath its hourly moving average. The euro goes from underneath the hourly to above it, and above the VWAP level, the yellow is the volume weighted average price. Typically breaks of those tend to cause potentially big moves. You can see they also act as really good support here and here. But again, you want to find a currency that's weak like the dollar and trade it against ones that are strong. The euro from 3:30 onward, the pound from 6 o'clock onward. So let's just bring up, I have a quick video today just to kind of showcase how the signals are coming, but from around 6:30 and onward you want to be looking for buys in the pound dollar. And here's 6:30. You can see it broke above this level right here, so you probably would have had a loss. Second trade worked. You have a pullback right here, and the key to trading is small losses, big wins. So you lost this much, then you probably got out with a win of about that size with a risk of this. So this first win was 1.5 times what the risk was. Second entry right here, you're never going to catch every pip, but even if you got out of it right at this level right here, you made 4 to 5 times more profit than what your risk is. And really that's the key to trading. Small losses, big wins, and most people are not going to learn hundreds of different range bar patterns. And there's a few these aren't just regular range bar patterns, they're using volume and a couple other secrets I've found that I'm not going to reveal in this video because I don't want people stealing my ideas for trading systems. These things are just absolutely killing it in the market, and we hope to release this in about 2 weeks. Again, turning a 12,000 line Visual Basic program into C++ without even understanding C++ initially is a monumental task. I went to school for business. I do not have any programming language skills, but I taught myself C++ with the help of my partner, and he gave me a couple subroutines that helped me do things very quickly and easily, and I'm learning how to do very advanced things in C++ that you cannot even contemplate doing in our Visual Basic scripting editor. So these will be released in about 2 weeks, and if you don't have an account set up now, you're going to want to get one set up in order to get our software for free. Or, you know, when we release these, if you like what you see, which you will, I promise you will love it. It's the best work I've ever done in my entire life, by a factor of at least 300 to 500% better than anything else I've ever come up with. I have 35 different areas of support resistance in here too. I haven't even added that to these codes or these systems or signals I've shown here. They will look up and see clusters of support resistance, and our new patterns can pick up W tops and bottoms, 1, 2, 3 highs and lows, head and shoulders patterns, highs and lows. I mean, basically, I am teaching the computer to analyze the market and trade it exactly as if I would. And again, you're never going to have 100% winning trades, but basically every single one of these on this chart, except for this one right here, went at least 1 bar our way or 3 to 5 pips our way. You know, this one right here, we'd be in at 96. It went down to 90. That one, the second worst trade, went 6 pips. Most of these trades are going to go 1 to 5 bars your way pretty quickly, and you will usually know within 1 to 3 bars if the trade's going to work. So if you get a bunch of bars going up or down, you can, you know, get out of the trade with a 2 or 3 pip loss. Again, you're going to love this. 2 weeks, not this Saturday, but the following Saturday, I hope to release the first version of this.